Welcome to Hope Valley. One of the most stunning landscapes in the Peak District, a place where nature moves at its own pace, where the land is curved by time, and where every season paints a new picture. This valley is more than just hills and trails, it's a masterpiece. The kind of beauty that makes you stop, breathe, and wonder. Who could have created something this perfect? Every mountain, the rivers, and even the trees, none of it is random. It's all part of a design far greater than we comprehend. The way the cloud dances over the hills, the way the sun casts golden light over the fields. It's proof that the great artist is none other than the Almighty. Sometimes we get so caught up in our lives that we forget to look around, but standing here, surrounded by this endless greenery, you realize nature has its own way of reminding us of the one who created it. Before heading up to the breathtaking heights of Bamford Edge, we find ourselves in the heart of Castleton, a village that feels like a storybook come to life. With its stone-built houses, winding streets, and a backdrop of towering hills, Castleton is a place where history breathes in every corner. Walking through these streets, you can almost hear the echoes of the past. These homes, some standing for hundreds of years, have seen generations of people, miners, farmers, travelers, each leaving behind a piece of their story. Standing high above the village of Castleton, on a rugged limestone hill, lies the forgotten sentinel of time, Afzal Castle. A place where history lingers in the wind, where each stone holds echoes of an era long gone. As we leave this charming village behind and set off towards Bamford Edge, we take with us a sense of something timeless, something that stays with you long after you have gone. Some journeys don't have destinations, they're just moments strung together by roads, footsteps, and the stories we collect along the way. Hope Valley isn't just a place on a map, it's a feeling, a reminder that sometimes the best adventures are the simplest ones. Wandering through nature, breathing in the fresh air, and letting the world surprise you. Some places in the world doesn't just exist, they speak. They whisper stories through the wind, paint memories in the sky, and remind us of how small we are in the grand design of things. Nature is a reflection of life. It speaks, teaches strength. Its river reminds us to flow with patience. Just as time shapes these landscapes, every moment shapes us in the grand design of the Almighty. Nothing is without purpose. Every step, every breath is a part of something greater.